Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. So this is what I have for you today. So you first for this is a simple neckline, simple beaded neckline. So you first of all draw your pattern. As you can see, my line is here. You draw your pattern. This is my leaf pattern, and then I'm going to show you the technique I used to bead on this line. As you can see, this is just a simple pattern, but it's very beautiful. So to start off, you need your needle and thread. This thread is threaded, would I call this single or double? Single, yes, it's threaded single. So don't make your thread to be too long, if not it's going to tangle. You also need your embroidery scissors or any other scissors, and these are seed bead cone, a shorter version of the bugle beads. This is a shorter version of the bugle beads. I don't know if you can see this. So what we're going to do is, like I said earlier, I drew my pattern on my fabric and I had to turn the material so that I can walk from my right to my left. It's easier for me that way. So you first of all pass your needle to the beginning of your stitch of your line. So that's what we're going to do. We'll pass our needle here. Then you're going to pick up 6 seed beads. So this is how we're going to do it. This is the easy method rather than counting your beads. So you can see a lot of beads are on here. So we'll just count 6 beads. So this is 3. This is 3. The excess will be poured back into the bowl. Then you pull all the beads to your work, and then you pull all your beads to your work. Then you use your hand to apply pressure so that it won't scatter. Then place it straight on the line you drew previously. After placing it straight where the bead ends, you pass your needle down and then bring it up between the 3rd and 4th bead. Can you see this? So yeah, so you pass your thread down and bring it up between the 3rd and 4th bead. Then you pull. Now we're going to pick up 6 again. You just do like this, count. We have 5 beads here. These are 5 seed beads, so we need one more. You can just pick up one more, add, pull it to your work. This is a fast stitch. Once you get the hang of it, it's very fast. You can finish this whole thing in a day. So we pull it to the end of our thread and still place it on a straight line, on that line you drew, previously. Place it on the straight line, pass our needle, just straighten it, pass our needle at the end of the seed bead, and bring up your needle again between the 3rd and 4th bead, bead, and pull. So this is the step we're going to continue repeating through to the end. We're going to continue this through to the end. So I'm going to repeat it again once more. Pick up 6 seed beads. This is 4, this is 2, and then 1 excess. We'll drop it back. We'll pull our thread to the end of the work. Place it in a straight line. Place it in that straight line. Put your needle, come up in between the 3rd and 4th bead. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to continue this method till we get to the end. That's it. Very simple. It's a very simple and fast stitch. So 3 3, push the other one. You can use the round seed bead for this. You can use the tiny, the size 1, size 2. You can even use the big strand beads. It's your choice. Sorry. So push it to the end of push it into the end of the work and place it on a straight line. Pass your needle at the end and bring it up in between the 3rd and 4th bead. So can you see? Can you see? So it's the same method. We did the same thing too for these petals. You just draw the shape of your petal, draw the shape, and then follow the shape of the petal. You follow the shape you have drawn. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Continue to watch my video. Thank you. Bye.